Well, we have some more good news to share with you tonight. A man in the hospital for nearly a month with COVID-19 is finally back home tonight.
News on 6's Sawyer Bussey went inside the COVID-19 unit at Hillcrest and joins us with more tonight. Sawyer.
Well, Lori and Brian, this virus has taken the lives of more than 100 Oklahomans, but more than 1,000 people have actually recovered. This is one survivor's story. This noise is a celebration at Hillcrest Hospital. It means a COVID-19 patient has recovered and is going home. Today, that person is Christopher Fisher.
Everybody gets along with Christopher.
He has been here for 28 days. This is a COVID-19 unit for people who test positive for the disease but are still stable, meaning they don't need a ventilator.
He said, "It's awful to be sick." That's the first thing he said when I met him on day one.
And this is Kara, the nurse who's been taking care of Chris for the last 3 weeks.
Just such a celebration when you get to really see them go home and overcome something like this.
At the beginning of March, staff started practicing what they would do when they started seeing COVID patients. The drills worked when their first patient showed up days later on March 15th.
So we provide the proper PPE that they need in order to take care of airborne patients. They check their temperatures twice a day. And also the airflow up here is all negative air, so it's very clean, filtered air.
Hospital staff says their plan has been to stay one step ahead of every phase they're in.
Resilience is the word I like to use. They are resilient.
They have refused to let down their patients, refused to let down their team, and the community has been there to support them every step of the way. Some people adopting floors of the hospital and feeding teams of people.
I'm just so proud to be named among such a great group of people who are willing to, put their own health on the line and really just come and take care of the patient and do what it takes every day.
Now today, while I was at the hospital, I also learned that this morning, Hillcrest actually infused the plasma of a COVID-19 survivor into a COVID patient who is still fighting. If this treatment works, it could be an absolute game changer. Live in Tulsa, Sawyer Bussey, Oklahoma Zone, News on 6.